In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit a check with SoFi Bank. This convenient process allows you to manage your finances directly from your phone with just a few taps, making it effortless to deposit checks without a trip to the bank. So, let's get into it step by step. First things first, make sure you have the SoFi app downloaded on your mobile device. You can find it in the App Store if you're using an iPhone or in Google Play if you're on an Android device. Once you've got the app installed, open it up and log in using your SoFi credentials. This ensures your account is secure and ready for your mobile banking needs. Now that you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to your bank's mobile interface. From the home screen, look for a section labeled Banking, or you can directly access your SoFi checking and savings account. This is where we'll begin the process of depositing your check. Once there, look for a button that says More or a simple plus icon. This is your gateway to more banking options. Tap this icon, and from the menu, choose Deposit a Check. Before proceeding with actually depositing your check, it's crucial to endorse it correctly. Flip your check over and sign the back. Directly beneath your signature, write "For mobile deposit only at SoFi Bank." This endorsement is important as it ensures the check is ready for electronic deposit through SoFi systems. In some cases, checks may only require "For mobile deposit only," so always keep an eye on the details mentioned by your bank. With your check endorsed, the next step involves capturing images of it. Follow the prompts given in the app to take a clear photo of both the front and back of the check. Aim for a well-lit area where all four corners of the check are visible in the photo. This is crucial as clarity ensures that the check can be processed without any issues. After you've taken the photos, it's time to enter the check information. Manually type in the amount written on the check to confirm it within the app. This step not only double checks the captured value, but also prepares the system for processing your deposit. Once you've entered the check amount, look over all the deposit details to make sure everything is correct. Finally, all that's left is to submit your deposit. Tap on Submit or Deposit Check. After this, you'll receive a confirmation within the app reassuring you that your deposit is underway. Keep hold of the physical check until you see it deposited in your account to avoid any potential discrepancies. And that's it. You've successfully deposited a check through the SoFi app, saving time and the hassle of visiting a bank branch. If you ever run into issues, SoFi's customer service can guide you further. Enjoy the ease of mobile banking with SoFi.